What if you could see your entire business all in one clear place? No spreadsheet, no late night guesswork, no where's that file moments. Hi, we are Mr. Data. We bring finance plus AI together so $5 to $500 million companies can finally see what's going on. And we don't just talk, we build. Your first KPI dashboard, free in 30 days, guaranteed. Most companies don't have an all-in-one system that ties everything together. You've got accounting in one system, operations in another, inventory stuck in spreadsheets, invoices buried in PDF files, and the rest hiding in inboxes or someone's head. In real estate, for instance, many rely on tools for property management, construction, or budgeting, each designed for a specific function but rarely work together. By the time something feels off, you're already reacting instead of planning. We take all that scattered data and turn it into one clear custom dashboard, designed to reflect your model, your language, your decisions. It shows your business true heartbeat, from top-line growth to cash flow health. It focuses only on the numbers that actually move your business forward. How does it work? I'm glad you asked. You send us data exports from tools you already use, QuickBooks, Xero, Oracle, SAP, cash flow trackers in Excel, whatever helps you monitor performance. We give you a secure cloud folder, Google Cloud, Azure, or AWS. Yes, it's a manual upload, but that simplicity means no delays, no tech bottlenecks, just clarity. That's exactly how we guarantee delivery within 30 days at zero cost to you. And if you want full automation later, we offer that as well as a next step. The dashboard is fully customized around metrics that matter most to you. For example, profit by customer, cash run rate, your slowest paying account, payables you're about to miss, all visualized in one place, clearly and instantly. So why is it free? Because the KPI dashboard is just the foundation. Structured, clean data is the essential first step. Once in place, it opens the door for transformative AI insights, like predictive cash flow, anomaly detection, or margin optimization. These are part of the paid programs. Completely optional, but incredibly impactful. Our global team, based in the US, France, Croatia, and the Philippines, builds these dashboards quickly, accurately, and consistently every single time. Your data always confidential, encrypted, and protected under strict legal safeguards. We believe in proving value upfront. The risk is on us. We will deliver your dashboard with no strings attached. If you see opportunities to go further with AI, we'll be here to help you unlock that next step. Please take a look at the real-life examples my team and I are frequently posting on LinkedIn. A recent one details a six-figure maintenance cost reduction across a 77-unit real estate portfolio, leveraging an AI classification model. For this next section, Sophia and I will address the top question we have received from prior clients.
Will this eat up my time?
Nope. You upload the files, we do the heavy lifting. Most clients spend under 2 hours total.
Is it really free?
Yes, no catch. If you want automation or AI tools later, we will talk. If not, no problem.
Our data is messy. Can you handle that?
Absolutely. That is exactly what we're built for.
Is it secure?
Yes, we use Google Cloud, Azure, and AWS. Everything is encrypted, access control, and compliant with industry standard security protocols.
What KPIs can we track?
Whatever drives value, and that is coming from the files you make available to us. Margins, payables, we will help you pick the right ones.
Will this replace my finance team?
Not at all. Actually, your CFO and controller will love it. Less manual prep, better insights.
Do I need to maintain it?
No, just upload new files when you want to refresh. No coding, no tools to learn.
Will it work with our systems?
If you can export the data, we can use it. As simple as that.
Why should we trust you?
I personally led the team that brought AI-based sales forecasting to a Fortune 20 automaker. I also built an 8-figure real estate portfolio powered by analytics. And the Mr. Data team has already received very positive feedback from past clients. You can find all of it on misterdata.com. We are proud to bring global perspective with American family roots. I am originally from Paris, now building from Michigan. So, question for you, why should you do this? Because it works, because it's free, And because if you wait, you're still flying blind tomorrow. This is not just a dashboard, it's your ticket for AI readiness and an unprecedented level of insight. Availability is limited. Please click below now to secure your free 30-day KPI Dashboard Sprint. Visit misterdata.com and let's talk soon.